So today is day 281 of my fitness journey. And today I went to a gathering for like a Friendsgiving thing. And one of the people that was there, he was actually a chiropractor that I befriended. And he told me a lot about what I should be doing with my foam rolling that I'll share with you right now.
And interestingly enough, it's already something that I've done on this channel instinctively. It's just a method of doing sit-up like moves. You just hold this position and go upwards and do that for about 10 reps.
When it comes to doing a move that feels good, trust your intuition and keep at it.